Welcome to the Fuji booth here at Productronica. Delighted to be joined by Klaus Gross in front of what I think is probably the most revolutionary machine at the show. Welcome, Klaus.
Indeed. First of all, welcome to our booth on the Productronica 2019.
Yep.
And as you mentioned, we have a kind of revolution for this show. We opened and we display this new developed machine the first time. And it is really a revolution.
Unbelievable. I mean, everybody has been wondering how to solve the problem of getting the rails from the kitting area automatically into the machine.
Yes.
And this is essentially what you have solved behind us. Can you describe to our viewers exactly how it works?
Yes. This machine is designed for the 3 zeros. Zero operator, zero defect, zero downtime.
Okay.
These are the 3 zeros, where are the vision for this concept what we show here. When you talk about the feeder replacement, we have an automatic smart loading system running along of the placing modules.
Yeah.
On the left side we have the buffer station. Underneath of the active feeder we have also buffer stations. And the smart loader is able to take feeders out from the buffer stations and put it in the active feeder slots, either for the new job or for replacement the running empty reel.
Okay. So the AGV brings from the storage area to the buffer station.
Yes.
Then the buffer station will load it into the system.
And here we have an integrated system and not an adaptive system like a robot or like a AGV. This smart loader is integrated in the complete machine concept.
I see. Okay. So this is a completely new platform. So what are the parameters of the platform? What is the CPM? What is the different features built into the platform?
Okay, the platform NXTR is mainly designed from the NXT machine, what we have the last 10-15 years.
Yeah.
All the benefits from the modular type, one-side operation, all this kind of thing is inside the NXTR machine, plus new developments. New development means new placing heads, new camera system, new fiducial camera system, placing touch sensor automatically in each head without an option. The component range per head is much bigger than before. The placing speed is higher than before. And we could reduce a certain number of heads from 6, 7, 8 different types to 3 types.
Okay.
These 3 types make everything what is on the PCB.
3 types of heads. So you're going to have a revolver head, you're going to have a gang pick,
Right.
and then what is the third type?
The third type is a pick and place with 2 nozzle. Then we have a 8 nozzle head revolver type for the medium range and the 20 nozzle head for the high speed.
Okay, okay. Now I noticed there's no feeder tape below the bottom here.
Yes.
Why is this?
So we have on the bottom we have normally the waste box for the cutted waste tape. In this case, this waste tape go into a channel into the base. In this base there is a conveyor belt, and centralized we suck these waste tapes out from the machine and centralize it in a waste box outside from the machine. So no operator is required. Zero operators, the vision.
Okay. Now you mentioned zero operators, but you also mentioned zero defect.
Yes.
So what happens if there's a mispick or something goes wrong with a piece of tape? Does it switch that feeder off and send an alert, or how does that work?
We have this machine-to-machine communication, and we got all the information what happened inside the machine from the AOI system. And based on this information, the machine can skip one shaft, we can skip a nozzle, we can skip maybe a feeder or give a valuable hint to the operator what he has to do. We make it really in an analytic way. We observe the operator for one shift for 8 hours, and we wrote down what he is doing. How many percent he's doing refill the feeder, how many percent he is changing the feeder for the new job, how many percent he do something inside from the machine with some mispick-up or something. And by this analyze, we could at least 80% remove automatically by this system.
Right. Well, it's certainly revolutionary, as the name says. It's NXT revolution. So I have to congratulate you on this, Klaus, and say we look forward to seeing the future development of this platform.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
I also hope that we will have a bright future with this machine in the future.
Yeah, I'm sure you will. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you.